What is going on, YouTube?
What's up, y'all?
Corey and Charisse here with the Tech Couple. No?
Oh, I didn't know what you were doing.
What's going on, YouTube?
What's up, y'all?
Corey and Charisse here with the Tech Couple.
And today we will be installing, or attempting to install, I'm praying for the best, a Whitestone Dome edge-to-edge coverage 3D Revolution Dome Glass Screen Protector.
And you should probably stick around to the end of this video because we will be giving one away, because who needs two Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus screen protectors when you only have one Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus?
Indeed. So I've seen a bunch of these installation videos and I am still super intimidated, but we are gonna give it the old college try. Get this thing on there
and dive right in.
So, going to start with putting the phone into this installation tray. Oh my goodness, my heart just started pounding. Okay. Whew. Can I get warm in here?
Kind of.
It got a little warm. Okay. Oh, y'all, I am so nervous. Okay, I came with 1,000 microfiber cloths. Oh my gosh. This goes in there. Like so. Oh, that is snug. Okay. Make sure that the phone stays still and is firmly locked into the tray. Once you have made sure of that, take out one alcohol swab provided in the box and clean the screen with it. Cleaning the screen with one alcohol swab. It is happening. I am doing it. It is done. So reading is fundamental.
Speakers at the top.
Do over. Speaker at the top. Phone is in. So, yes, so they like kind of put their finger here to start tipping it forward, pulled this out, and then untipped it. I feel like the next time I do this, I'm gonna be a pro. I'm gonna be amazing. Cause this is a lot. I feel like they should give you 2 of these in the package, like one to practice with and screw up, and then one to get right. Cause this is a lot. I'm sure it's gonna be great, but it's a lot. He said this should take 1:20. Okay, so we have survived the first half of the installation. Yeah, we're about to go ahead and turn on this curing lamp. Ladies, if you ever got your nails done, I know it doesn't look like I have any experience with that, but I do.
It says UV LED nail lamp.
Oh, well, ooh, maybe I can start doing it myself at home. Save some money. All right, without further ado, curing this bad
Oh,
boy.
it's supposed to be up there.
All right, friends, so we finally finished this process. Now, the instructions say to watch their installation video 2 times all the way through in advance.
They're not lying.
No, so the day that you order this, watch the video.
Get a notebook, take some notes.
And then when you get it, before you install it, watch the video like 2 to 4 or 5 or 6 times. Because
reference your original notes from the first time.
It's a lot, guys. Like, it is a whole lot. And even with that and watching the video and reading the instructions while installing, I still somehow managed to screw up a little teeny part, so.
Not terribly difficult, but pretty tedious. There are a lot of steps that you do need to follow exactly, but all in all,
it looks great though.
Yeah, so definitely super, it's not, I wouldn't say it's difficult to do, it just requires patience and
it's tedious.
Following specific instructions to a T.
Yeah, the instruction video on their website, it goes really fast. So I would definitely suggest watching it a few times, being prepared to pause so that you can read for comprehension every single line. Because there's one thing that I did not read that I screwed up a little bit.
Maybe just a little bit.
Just a teeny bit. But overall, if you can just pay attention and follow steps.
Of course, like we said at the beginning of the video, we will be giving one away. That guy, completely unopened, along with the UV lamp to go with it, because who would want a Whitestone Dome UV curing tempered glass
without the light to cure it with?
You'd be sitting in the nail salon like, can I just put my
put my phone in there for like 75 seconds?
Yeah. So to enter though, do a couple things for us.
That's what they gotta do.
Just gotta drop a comment. Drop a comment with where we can reach you on some sort of social media platform. We'll leave it to Instagram and Twitter. Let us know which one you're leaving. And we'll select one at random, probably during a live stream at some point. We'll see.
Oh.
So yeah, so let us know how we can contact you via Twitter or Instagram. Leave a comment and a like and a subscribe. And it's for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So you S8, S8 Plus, S9, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 10. You'll be getting something you cannot use. I think we might verify that you can use it when you win. But that's really all we got for you.
That definitely is. All in all, obviously, we think it looks great. We can't wait to give one away to you guys. As always, that handsome man.
I'm Corey, that pretty lady.
I'm Charisse.
Together we make the tech couple, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and smack the button in the face, click the notification button, be an overachiever, and we will catch you later.
Bye.